Hi, it's Kylie Koo. Welcome to my studio. So today I'm doing an unboxing of the October craft box. So this one is called The Dark Secret and I'm really looking forward to getting into it. And it says, a little ghost sneaked into the craft box office and made this image even more spooky. Here we go. And if you hear noises in the background, I've got my washing machine going. So I'm just going to take this out. Excuse me a second. And there we go. So this time, black box, purple ribbon, and it looks gorgeous. And there's this envelope on top. Now, I'm not sure, this may be the little extra that you get if you pre-order before a certain date. I'm not certain, but I'll start by opening this, and on the back it says, thank you. Oh, I'm really so excited. Okay, so I don't always know what these things are called, but you'll possibly know. So they have kind of metal, oriental, I don't know, but they're gorgeous and right up my street. And then these wings, I love wings. So as I say, I'm assuming these are the little extra that comes for pre-ordering before the certain date. So here we go, October craft box, The Craft Secret, and this lists everything that's in there. So I'm now going to open up the box. Look at that gorgeous bit of ribbon. I mean, that must be 1, 2, 3, 4, over 4 feet long. So lots of use from that. And again, it's got the kind of magnetic clip here. I mean, the boxes themselves are just gorgeous. Ooh, and look at that, the kind of pumpkin coloured paper. Gorgeous again. And that thank you sticker. Oh, I don't like tearing anything. Okay, I'm just going to have to go for it. There will be a little bit of damage, but never mind. Got to get in here. Okay, so to begin with, we have these flowers. And I'm trying to see from the card what they're called. I think this will be the set of mulberry flowers. Gorgeous kind of purples, orange, green, yellow. So kind of fall colours, but these kind of darker, almost moodier colours in there as well. And apologies for the glare. Gorgeous. Then we have these safety pins, and I think they're almost black in colour. Gorgeous again. Some Halloween charms, I guess. A clock, a skeleton, a spider, oh, a scarecrow. I did do a scarecrow video recently. Again, I'll leave a link up above just in case you've not seen it. I'm going to open this because there's one in here that I can't see. Oh, it's like a kind of skull of some description. And there's a witch's hat. Oh yes. Love the clock, love the scarecrow. Pure gorgeousness. Pop them back in. Then more charms. That's an interesting one. It's like a little cherub with birth certificate, date, time, weight, There's one with a postcard, book, letters, so a good selection in there. And these are like a kind of larger charm. I think again I'm going to open them out, possibly see them better. So this is owl charm with floral frame. Oh, I see. So there's the owl charm. Now that is really a big charm. I'll just get my ruler. So that alone is, oh, it's about 2.5 inches at its longest point, and I guess this floral frame is about the same. So these are large, really super. So I'll put that one to the side. Next is, and again I'm just trying to look at this. Okay, so there's a yard of burlap and a yard of black lace. And the black lace has got this fringe on it already. Gosh, look at that against the orange there. Isn't that just perfect for Halloween and all manner of spooky things, all manner of dark secrets. And the burlap, which is nice. I bought some burlap a while ago, but it felt much thicker and heavier than this, and it wasn't terribly kind of pliable, but yeah, this is nice. I like that. Always love the smell of burlap. Okay. Then haunted house cabochon. Gosh, and it's even got the detail of the kind of tiles on the roof and the lights in the windows. Oh yes. I'm going to have some fun creating something spooky with this. I don't know what this is called. Snip art cutout. So all manner of little swirls and scroll type things in here. Yep, lovely. And this will be the kind of papers. I'm going to open these out because there appears to be a good selection. Well, that's good. Join us if you dare at our annual masquerade, date, time and place. A witch lives here with her little monsters. Cool. And then other papers. Tail of a tadpole, wing of bat, witch's brew, fin of a fish, spider's web, raven, pumpkin. So all of these could be cut out individually and added to things. And on the back it's like some ledger paper. Oh, I forgot for the time being what that pattern's called. And some brown and black, so a really good selection there. Love them all. Next thing, what are these? set of resin faces. Again, I'll take them out just to try and take the glare off. So these, in terms of length, are almost an inch, just under an inch long each one. And from ear to ear, just about an inch as well. So, yeah, different, like them. Then we have some dream catchers. No thumbs today. Again, I've had a run of days where I've been like that. You know what I like about these boxes? There are things come in these that ordinarily I see in places and I think, oh, I'd really like some of those, and then I never get round to ordering them for whatever reason, and then, you know, things like this appear in the box, and it's just wonderful. I love these so much. Ooh, now this is some sort of glitter. I'm not going to open it because, given I'm in a clumsy kind of situation just now where I knock over everything, I'm liable to knock this all over. But this is gorgeous. I like this little tub that it comes in. So it's a kind of gold coloured glitter, bronzy gold. Then there's a set of 5 vials, 3 clear and 2 with this kind of amber colour, all with the cork tops. And some, what would you call these? Well, you can see what they are. I assume they stick on, but they may be more button-like. No, they are kind of stick on. So at the moment they're stuck to the cardboard, but it looks as if they've got a bit on the back that would actually just peel off. So an owl, a kind of gravestones with pumpkins in front, pumpkin, an owl, and a happy Halloween. Gorgeousness. And now, oh, look at the bag. Look at the bag. It's a kind of teal colour with gold. Let's open this out. Oh, wonderful. So again, it's a kind of large charm with a key and the kind of clockwork on it. That would make a great centrepiece, great focal point for something. So there we go. So this box cost me £19.95 and I think it was £2.50 shipping. So in total £22.45. And again, I have to say this is great value for money. I love it. And you know, just to say, as I said last time, I'm not in any way sponsored by Craftbox, so that is my opinion of what you get in this in terms of it being value for money. As I say, these are things that I see often, I'd love to buy, but then never seem to get around to it. So it all coming in this box is great. Now, I know that the November box is already on sale. I will admit that I haven't ordered it, not for any reason other than I do want to make sure that I'm using some of this rather than just simply accumulating it. I haven't used anything from last month's box yet, but that's purely because I have had so many projects on the go. But I'm definitely going to try and do a Halloween themed thing within the next few days and get that up. And I do have some other ideas for some of the things that came in the September box. So I know that there's limited supplies of the November box. I'll decide over the course of today whether or not I'm going to order it, but I may leave it this time round, just to make sure that I'm going to use it. So great value for money again. Presentation, absolutely wonderful. I mean, it's a real treat receiving a box like this and just being able to open it up and see through everything. And yeah, talk about joy in a box. So I hope you've enjoyed this video of me opening these things. I do hope to be able to show you really soon some things that I'm going to make from it. I love these flowers. Thanks very much, the lovely Anna and the lovely people at Craftbox that clearly put so much effort into putting these together. And thank you for watching. So if you've enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up, please subscribe, and please look out for my other videos. So thanks very much, and bye for now.